So I have it! I just picked it up, came out today in the Netherlands, and I am so excited. I already ripped it open. I was not like patient enough to wait for this, so here it is. I still need to charge, so let me see if I can charge this right now. Oh, I love it. I can't wait to test out the HyperSmooth. Stickers! It looked like it was scratched on some parts here and here. You can, oh, this is very obvious, but like I saw it when I opened it already. I have no idea what it is, but it's not bad. I think it's just a little bit of glue from the factory. But yeah, this still looks very good, so I want to put the battery in. So when I turned on the camera without updating, I wanted to go for 4K 60 straight away. It did not allow me. It also didn't show me exactly where to change the aspect ratio. But after updating, it finally showed me it's in the top right corner. And the 4x3 does not allow 4K 60. So make sure to update first. And then you do all the crazy stuff that I try to do. So yeah, you see if you click 4x3, it will not allow you to choose the 60 frames per second. Yeah, only at 2.7K and 1440. Okay, yeah. So 16:9, yes. Then it will be allowed. And if you turn on stabilization, HyperSmooth is enabled automatically. First video. I'm walking around in the city on a sunny Friday, and I'm not using a gimbal. I'm just using it on a very silly stick, and I'm very amazed by how good the quality is. Like, I'm not trying to keep it very straight. I'm just walking the silly stairs, but it's really good. It's like I'm using the GoPro, like the gimbal. And here I'm trying to bounce it a little, but it's correcting itself very nicely. Yeah, I'm going on vacation tomorrow. I'm going to France, so hopefully I can take more videos there. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you soon.